is a clean energy ferry, or a green ferry. It's powered by electricity. Very unusual to have a ferry that doesn't have a diesel engine churning up the water and spewing the mixture of the water and those diesel fumes into the air. Don't smell any of that. Really beautiful and very in keeping with Denver. So these ferries are not just used for transportation, they're also means for a cheap sightseeing tour. It's even talked about in the literature for the harbor ferries. And you can see many people doing that in this scene right behind me. People drinking beer, people taking photos. We're heading under a bicycle bridge. It's just such an amazing thing to see that the Scandinavians would build something for bicycles that's so elaborate and is used so frequently at the same time and keeps the earth so clean. So what we're doing is we're zigzagging down the sound now, the Öresund Sound. This sound connects the Atlantic Ocean with the Baltic Sea. And we're going to end up at New Haven. The ferry does continue on past that. It goes around to the Little Mermaid. We're going to end up in New Haven where we're going to get off. On the left is New Haven. On the right is Christiania, to give you a sense of where this ferry takes you. The other ferry, the other line, goes the other direction. We're heading north, and the other line goes south. Yeah, great way to travel and see things. You're not getting in and out of the car, bending your back instead of, give me a minute. None of that when you're traveling around in Denmark for the most part. So one of the results of having clean energy ferries is you get wildlife like wild swans who can actually live in the harbor because the water is so clean. I find that to be amazing that you can achieve that as a human race. Here again, when you have a clean environment because you're taking care of it, you can put an outdoor swimming area in the middle of your harbor that people can use. It's too cold right now for people to be swimming out there, although Danish people do swim this time of year, and I saw quite a few since I've been here. But amazing that you can put a place that you can go for a swim and coexist with ferries going past you and little fleets of swans. Just amazing the things that you find in Copenhagen here. And off to the left, you can see probably the most beautiful place for steeples, maybe in the world. I mean, I haven't been everywhere in the world, but I haven't found any other place where the steeples are so spectacular. Most of them have this copper dome oxidized finish here. Everywhere you look in Copenhagen, you can see steeples, and I often tell people when I come here, don't forget to look up. Look up. Copenhagen is full of things to look up. Look at up there. But not this. Look at the effect of that water that glass creates on the water. The color of the glass makes the water appear Caribbean-like. I'm not sure if that was in the design, but I wouldn't be surprised.